Hey friends, today we're talking about something a lot of people quietly struggle with, feeling like you have to start over. But what if you don't need to start over? What if you just need to realign? Let me tell you about someone we'll call Quinn. Quinn felt like she had fallen behind in life. Her goals didn't look the way she expected. Her pace felt off, and everything started to feel like she needed a full restart. So she considered wiping everything clean, starting from scratch, rebuilding everything all over again. But instead of rushing into that decision, she paused. And in that pause, she realized something. Nothing was completely broken, it was just misaligned. She didn't need a restart, she needed a reset in direction and pace. Not everything that feels off is finished. Some things just need realignment. I've had seasons like that too, where I felt like I had to fix everything at once. Like if everything stopped working, I needed to burn it down and rebuild. But I learned something important. Not every delay is failure. Not every slowdown is brokenness. Sometimes it's just life asking you to adjust your pace. I had to stop measuring progress by speed and start measuring by peace. Because when I slowed down, I realized I wasn't behind. I was just moving faster than my alignment. And over time, things started to feel lighter, more grounded, more aligned. Journaling helped me process that shift to see what actually needed change and what just needed patience. If you're in a rebuilding season, the journals and planners at info.brittanydanny.com/legacy shop can help you slow down and rebuild with clarity instead of pressure. You're not starting over, you're realigning. Matthew 11:30. My yoke is easy and my burden is light. Imagine a structure being adjusted instead of demolished. Workers carefully shifting pieces into place instead of tearing everything down. Remember that realignment is more valuable than restarting. Also, that peaceful rebuilding is still progress. Not everything needs a restart. Misalignment is not failure. Peace is a better measure than speed. Small adjustments create big clarity. God rebuilds gently, not harshly. Reflect on these. What feels misaligned right now? Where am I rushing instead of adjusting? What can I simplify instead of restart? What would peaceful rebuilding look like for me? Friends, you don't have to tear everything down to rebuild your life. Sometimes you just need to realign with peace. Remember, this season I'll be posting every Sunday and Wednesday and more when I have time. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you back in the reset room.